Okay, here's our line reaming tools here. So here's our reamer that goes for the pinion bush. We have this adapter sleeve here. Goes down inside the case there. It pilots to the reamer and does that online. This one here just comes through the cam drain hole right there and reams straight through the bushing there. So that's how those work. So I'll go ahead and assemble this up so I can line ream it. Alright, we'll do this line reaming. I'm going to lubricate our reamer in here, some oil. Bushing from this side. Cam cover's already bolted down. So we just run it straight through is all we do. Use our 1/2-inch drill motor. Just holding my feet between my ankles. Just don't quite use all the weight of the drill, just try to do light pressure, go real slow. Wasn't much to cut with that bush. Take the drill out. The reamer comes out the bottom. And the other one we do the same thing. One on the bushing. Got a reamer here. Same thing, we ream it all the way down, then we stop and come back up. It'll be a heavy cut on this one. Pull all the way through. And we're through. Alright. So there's the holes all reamed. Now we go ahead and take this apart, clean it all up, and see what the fitment is. Okay, we're taking this cover off so we can check the bushings out. See how our alignment was. You can see why you have to do this before the lowering goes together. We're using the cases for our line reaming tool. Here's what it looks like all done. Now the cam, we're going to probably have to hone it because that reamer I use is about a thou under. Use the reamer, it leaves a real crappy finish. I like to hone it. So here's our new cam. will have to hone this, like expected. This one here, hopefully we don't have to do anything with, but it don't go in, so. So this one's going to have to be honed oversized because the shaft is slightly bigger, or the reamer is getting slightly dull, one of the two. But either way, it don't fit. So we'll have to lightly do that some more. So I'll have to use my adjustable reamer to do that. And this one here will have to be honed. I'm done with this side for now. Table off. Nope, that's not my adjustable one. .563, this is slightly undersized, this one. Okay, so this one here is a carbide tipped reamer. And this is an adapter bush, and I made up to adapt it into the tool we used over there. So we'll go ahead and put this back together, and come back and hit this with this one, and do it again. So we'll just do a repeat of what we just got done doing. I can't hone these because they're a blind hole on the pinion bush anyway. They make special reamers for doing that, but I don't like them. They always need a tapered hole. Where'd my washer go? Anyway, we'll go ahead and bolt this up, and then we'll show you what the night of the cut is. Okay, go ahead and do this one. So this one, you have your adapter here, and I got my carbide tipped reamer here to use. So other than that, it's the same as the other one. So that took. So I can take it apart, go look at it again. Okay, I got the cover cleaned up. You see how smooth the bushing hole is in there a little bit? Maybe. Pretty fine. Yeah, let's see if the shaft fits in the hole now. It goes in this time, but it's tight. basically no clearance. So better than it was, but not runnable. Feeling better though. Working off the reamer marks. It's called burnishing. Basically has no clearance in it right now. Too tight to run. So I'll go run my reamer in there a couple more times, up and down. See if we can knock off a couple more high spots and then see if it'll be enough. Okay, here's our shaft now. So it goes in, you don't have to push it in like we had to before. Slips right in there. I don't know if you can hear the clearance. It's not a lot. Oh, that's not good on it. Landing on the thread. Anyway, it's we got some clearance in there now, so it won't drag. We're under oil pressure all the time, so we can run it relatively tight and it should be okay. You can't run stuff like your cams into that tight, it'll tear them up. So, well, we're going to go ahead and hone out the cam here, cam bushing. So we're going to go do that next. And you can see how it's trying to go in, but not quite, so it needs about 1,000 more taken out. So we'll go over the hone and do that one. Okay, go ahead and hone out this cam bush. Okay, goes in there nice now. See if we got a clearance in it. If we don't have any clearance, we open up slightly bigger. Seems to be pretty tight. Little snug. Let's open up a little more. A little better. You want to where you just feel a little bit of clearance, not much, a little bit. Okay, go ahead and clean that all up. And we'll check and see what it looks like dry. Okay, I got the bushing all honed out now. It goes in there nice and easy. You can hear the clearance on it a little bit. Slightly on the loose side. They don't stick when they're like that. So that's how those go in there. So that part's done. Just keep moving on to different pieces. Now I gotta move on to the cam. To the pinion race now. So we're gonna knock this out. Put in a new one in here, and then holding it to size. So this is our new one right here. So we're going to get that done next.